them.
You sure? Well, come around. Wait, get to the foot of the bed, too. Make sure there's not any hiding under there.
Good. I'm getting some.
All right, tell them. Tell them they're not welcome.
You are not welcome, monsters. I got checked if there are any more.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you have any flashlights around here? Do you? I need a flashlight.
Well, you are the flashlight king, honey.
I don't see any.
You can use your lantern.
A lantern?
Sure.
Oh. Yeah, can you help me fix this damage in here, though? Look
No.
at this.
Oh, I see. Well, we'll worry about that later. We'll just see if there are any under there.
Let's see. I have to turn this knob to on. Yeah.
Can you see any? What about the invisible ones? Can you see the invisible ones?
Yeah, I do.
All right, so just do another sweep.
Okay.
This should get the last of them.
There are still 154 of them in here.
Oh my goodness. All right, keep vacuuming.
You are not welcome back, monsters. Good, again, almost over. Broke the paper.
That's okay.